Across Africa, massive infrastructure projects are transforming the continent by linking cities, nations, and economic regions. From Tunis in Tunisia to Port Elizabeth in South Africa, Dakar in Senegal to Mogadishu in Somalia, these groundbreaking initiatives reshape infrastructure and boost economic growth. At African Megaprojects, we bring you the latest updates on these ambitious projects, from their massive costs to their powerful impact on the people of Africa. Welcome to the 22nd episode of African Megaprojects. In this episode, we travel to the vibrant East African country of Tanzania to uncover the story of the Kigongo-Busisi Bridge, officially named the John Pombe Magufuli Bridge. This 3.2-kilometer-long bridge is the longest in East Africa and the sixth longest in Africa. Constructed with a massive budget of $260 million, this remarkable structure connects the towns of Kigongo in the Mwanza region and Busisi in the Geita region, facilitating faster and safer transportation across Lake Victoria. Our video is divided into three main sections. First, we explore the historical background of the bridge. Next, we break down its length and cost. Finally, we delve into the economic impact, highlighting the benefits the bridge will bring to Tanzania and the broader East African region. Let's move to the first section and examine the historic background of the John Pombe Magufuli Bridge. Construction of the bridge began in 2019. That year, the Tanzanian government, under former President John Magufuli, awarded the project to a consortium of two Chinese state-owned engineering and construction firms to design and build this vital infrastructure. Initially named the Kigongo-Busisi Bridge, it was later renamed in honor of President Magufuli, who died in 2021. Although construction faced delays due to the COVID-19 pandemic, work resumed under the leadership of President Samia Suluhu Hassan. Construction was completed in October 2024. Mwanza Governor Robert Gabriel described the project as a tribute to Magufuli's vision of a connected, industrial Tanzania. It is a legacy in concrete and steel. The bridge will be inaugurated on June 19, 2025 by President of Tanzania, Samia Suluhu Hassan. Let us move to the second section and examine the length and cost of the John Pombe Magufuli Bridge. The John Magufuli Bridge spans 3.2 kilometers across the Mwanza Gulf, on the southern shores of Lake Victoria, connecting the towns of Busisi and Kigongo. It is a key part of Tanzanian Trunk Road T4 corridor linking Usagara, Sengerema, and Geita, three cities essential to Tanzania's mining, trade, and agricultural sectors. The John Pombe Magufuli Bridge is the longest in East Africa and the sixth longest on the African continent. The longest bridge in Africa is the October 6 Bridge in Egypt, measuring 20.5 kilometers, followed by the third mainland bridge in Lagos, Nigeria, which measures 11.8 kilometers. The third longest is the Suez Canal Bridge in Egypt at 3.9 kilometers, followed by the Mozambique Island Bridge at 3.8 kilometers. The fifth longest bridge is the Dona Bridge, which stretches 3.7 kilometers over the Zambezi River in Mozambique. In Tanzania, the only bridge that comes close in length to the John Pombe Magufuli Bridge is the Mkopa Bridge, which spans 970 meters across the Rufiji River. The construction of the John Pombe Magufuli Bridge cost around $260 million. This bridge stands as a flagship project of China's Belt and Road Initiative, symbolizing strengthened infrastructure development and regional connectivity in East Africa. Let us move to the third section and examine the economic impacts of the John Pombe Magufuli Bridge. First, it will significantly reduce travel time between Busisi and Kigongo. Previously, crossing by ferry took approximately 3 hours, including a 2-hour wait and a 34-minute ferry ride. With the new bridge, this journey is reduced to just 4 minutes, providing a faster and more efficient connection. Second, the bridge will offer seamless transportation between cities near Lake Victoria, eliminating the unpredictability and delays associated with the ferry service. Reliable infrastructure will enhance movement for residents, businesses, and travelers. Finally, beyond its national impact, the bridge will strengthen trade and economic integration with landlocked neighboring countries such as Rwanda, Burundi, Uganda, and the Democratic Republic of Congo. By improving regional connectivity, it supports cross-border commerce and economic growth. The Minister for Works, Abdallah Ulega, praised the project, emphasizing its strategic importance for Tanzania's national development. He stated, and I quote, "The JP Magufuli Bridge stands as a powerful symbol of our country's capacity to mobilize domestic resources for transformative infrastructure. It will ease travel between Kigongo and Busisi, reduce dependence on ferry transport, and unlock the vast economic potential of the lake zone." That wraps up our 22nd episode. Here are the key takeaways. The John Pombe Magufuli Bridge was initiated in 2019, completed in 2024, and is set to be inaugurated on June 19, 2025, by President Samia Suluhu Hassan. This $260 million bridge spans 3.2 kilometers across Lake Victoria, making it the longest in East Africa and the sixth longest in Africa. Beyond its impressive scale, the bridge will boost economic growth, enhance travel safety, improve transport efficiency, and strengthen regional trade and mobility by replacing ferry reliance. Thank you for joining us for this episode. If you enjoyed our content, don't forget to subscribe, give us a like, and leave a comment letting us know what topics you'd like us to cover in the next episodes.